To sign into Microsoft Authenticator app, start by opening the app on your smartphone, and if you haven't installed it yet, download it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. And then once you have it installed, and then open it once the installation is complete. So anyway, upon launching the app for the first time, you're going to be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. The account is typically the one you use for your personal, work, or school services. Once you open the app, select the option to add an account. You're going to choose to add a Microsoft account, a lot of bumps here, or another type of account from services that support two-factor authentication, such as Google or Facebook. All right? So if you're signing in with a Microsoft account, enter your credentials, including your username and password. For added security, you may be asked to verify your identity using another method such as phone number or email. So now once you've signed in, the app will link the account and you'll be able to start generating verification codes for logging into your accounts. These codes change every 30 seconds, providing an extra layer of security when accessing your account. Now the app will display these codes. The app will display these codes next to each account that you've linked. And you're gonna, simply enter the code when prompted to sign in to complete the authentication process. Let me know if this helped. Everything I just said is in the description.